Hey guys, Chris from Hockey Tutorial here. Today we're going to be taking a look at a blind stick test between the HyperLite and the CCM FT4 Pro. Now both of these sticks are brand new. Depending on where you are and when you're watching this video, they might already be out or being released very, very soon. The idea behind this video is to remove the branding from these sticks, put them on the ice with Tommy to figure out which one is the better stick, if any. Now when we look at the performance of both of these sticks, of course, all of the features of these sticks, we've got previous videos that tell you all about that I'll link down below in the video description. The review of the FT4 Pro against the previous generation is coming soon, so that will be linked down below when it's live. But the FT4 Pro is a hybrid kick point stick, and the HyperLite from the Bauer Vapor range is a low kick point stick. So essentially the FT4 Pro can be matched up against the HyperLite or the Nexus or Nexus Geo. The reason we've decided to do the FT4 Pro from CCM against the HyperLite is because the Geo has a 5-sided geometry, and of course that would be very, very easy to recognize whether it was taped up or spray painted or whatever. So these are the best sort of blind tests that we can do against these two sticks. So if anyone's wondering, that's why we've picked these ones. And aside from that, I always see this flagged up in the comments, people asking, why do we tape the sticks up instead of spraying them? The reason we do that is because after speaking to the people that make these sticks, taping them up doesn't madly alter the balance point or the performance of the sticks. If it did, we wouldn't do that. Spray painting the sticks would essentially destroy them afterwards, and also a lot of the branding on the sticks sits slightly higher than the actual surface of the stick. So if we were to spray paint them, you would still see the logos. We'd have to use a ton of paint. That's why we do it the way that we do it, if anyone was wondering. Taping them to do blind tests is the best and most logical way, in case you're going to hit us up in the comments about that. But long intros aside, let's jump into it and see which one of these sticks is the better one. And before we jump into the video, make sure that you thumbs up and also subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of the notifications that we post. It really helps us out, and you guys over the last few videos have been liking a lot of them. So before we jump in, thumbs up. What are we doing today?
We have another blind stick test for y'all. We've got the FT4 versus the HyperLite.
FT4 Pro.
Oh, sorry, the FT4 Pro.
Okay.
Versus the HyperLite.
Which one from just off the bat do you think is going to be the better one, just out of curiosity?
Well, at the minute I'm using the HyperLite as in like my own stick, so I'm hoping the HyperLite, but we'll see.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Might want to stand up. Come on, boy.
I got new shorts on, I don't like them.
Let's go. There we go. Sticks are on the goal over here. Nice and taped up as always.
We've got a blue and a white one, yeah?
Which one are you going to go with first?
I'm going to start off with blue.
Okay, I think you should start with white. I'm just going to go with the opposite of whatever you suggest today.
Oh, I'm going blue.
Alright, I'm going to move this one off the net.
Oh, that'd be a good idea.
Alright, let's do it.
I'd say this one feels lighter.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What colour knob has it got?
White.
Okay.
What colour knob's it got, yeah? Nice.
Come on, you know what I mean.
Nice.
What are you starting off with?
I'm still going blue.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's go. So I started off using the blue one, and I thought it was quite hard to shoot with. I don't know why, I just felt it was very weird. And it felt like it was almost slipping in my hands, which is weird, because obviously it's full of tape, so you'd expect it to be grippy as hell, but it was just, it was awkward, it felt weird. After using the white one, I actually thought it was really nice. So it felt like, I've said it in the past, it felt like I've used it before, and that makes me think it's the HyperLite, but then again I could be completely wrong and just diss the stick I'm using permanently. But yeah, the white one was really easy to shoot with, you know, even though it's, you know, not my regular curve. You know, it was easy, you know, came off real nice, not much effort needed, easy to pick your corners with, so I'm hoping it's the HyperLite, but we'll see.
What did you just say about the white stick over there that Gary's untaping right now?
I said I really hope that's the HyperLite.
So out of the two sticks you thought that was the better one?
Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting. I honestly can't remember which is which. I'm lying, of course I do.
I have a feeling I'm wrong and that's not the HyperLite, and I've just dissed the stick I've been using.
Okay, interesting.
But then I'm blaming it all on the curves, not my curve.
Oh no, come on. We saw the way you were shooting today. It's definitely not all just the curve.
Yeah, it was the curve, what can I say?
Okay.
And, you know, flung new shorts on me, throwing my game off.
Who told you to do that?
You wanted me in Bauer.
No, you didn't have to be in Bauer for this video. You could have been in whatever you wanted.
Yeah, I'm not swapping this long. You threw me off my game.
Okay, sure.
I got a bad feeling I was wrong. I know I'm wrong by the bottom of it. Yeah. This is the FT4, isn't it?
Look how depressed he sounds.
Yeah.
Show us the stick. Come on, peel it down. Show us the stick.
Yeah, look, it's right there.
Let's see it. Oh, look at that. CCM logo. You're losing your touch, Tommy.
To be fair, I've never been great at guessing these sticks, let's be honest.
That's interesting though. And what was the comment that you said right at the start of the video when you held both of the sticks, the blacked out sticks together? You said, what did you say about the white one versus the blue one?
I think I said the white one was lighter than
You said the white one felt much lighter.
New shorts on me.
Look at that lovely Jetspeed. Alright, of course we can't forget about the other one.
Yeah, I have to apologise to this stick.
While Gary's still untaping the other one.
I have to apologise to my HyperLite. I have to apologise, this is my game stick and it will not change.
Oh, so you're not going to go with the other one even though you said it was better all round?
I can't, because it's not actually my spec. So.
Doesn't matter though.
It does matter, because you've got to think, if that was my spec...
So what if the FT4 Pro was in the exact spec that you like as well?
Then it'd be a hard decision to make, but...
So is this not your spec either?
No.
They're both of these two sticks have
they're
as close to each other's spec as we could get.
They're both like...
Right, so...
They're the same spec as in...
Each other?
Yeah, but they're not the spec I'd use playing back at...
But surely what you're saying is if that's a better stick in that spec as the same as that...
Exactly.
If you get this in your spec...
It's a better stick. Exactly. That's exactly what I'm saying.
Well, I can't
Look at you, you've become such a convert overnight. Look at him.
I can't,
Wait till next week, you'll be back in them.
We both know he's going to use that FT4 Pro.
No.
We both know it.
No.
And just for reference, of course, there's the HyperLite right there. The one that he said was heavier and he didn't like the way it felt. So while you're doing that, just tell us, what was it about the HyperLite? In this case, it was the blue stick that you didn't like when you were shooting with it.
I don't know.
Stick handling.
It felt awkward. I don't know how to explain it. It just felt off.
Yeah?
It felt like the stick, it wasn't working for me. It was weird. I really didn't expect it to be like the blue one to be the HyperLite, because obviously, like I said, I used that back at my own team, so I kind of expected me to sort of just breeze and know which one the HyperLite is, but clearly I'm totally wrong, and I know nothing about sticks.
So what was it about the FT4 Pro, which was the white one, that you liked so much?
I don't know, it's just easy, you know, it's easy to shoot with.
Yeah.
Came off real nice, you know. Felt like I had more control.
Yeah.
I had more control over where the puck was going and what it was doing with the FT4 Pro.
Hey, you remembered.
Well, yeah, you were outing me the whole video.
I know. Makes a difference though. But no, that's good to know. So the ultimate question, and don't lie, so which one would you choose out of the two? Bear in mind what Gary said, which one would you choose, and be honest. So if you're deciding between FT4 Pro and HyperLite and it's your money at stake, which one are you buying?
If I've never used the two of them before.
Right now, off
Right
of
now.
using them.
So if
both
I'm
of
using them and I can't go off using my HyperLite back at
No, you're talking about like right now using both back to back. Which one are you buying?
Right, so if I'm not talking about what I've had in the past with my HyperLite, then I'm going with the FT4 Pro.
Okay.
However.
No, there's no however.
There is however.
That's
though.
the end of the video.
No,
Thanks for watching,
however.
guys. Make sure you like and subscribe.
There is however.
But me and Gary just discussed this.
No,
if the
However is just basically, it doesn't really matter about what stick is. The stick's a stick. You've proved that it don't matter if you're using the one that you've been using for the last 3 months. It completely threw you off and you chose the other one. So.
It's the shorts, I told you.
Okay, yeah, so your shorts threw you off.
Yeah, that's it.
But that's it. We know the difference now. FT4 Pro surprisingly wins this one.
Yeah.
As always, guys, a big thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. Make sure that you thumbs up and also subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of the videos that we post. And as always, a big thank you to the manufacturers for making this video possible. Make sure that you thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.